I'm in Disney. But from here it looks like I'm in Iceland, right? I'm so excited. Disneyland Paris. The magic. Do you feel the magic? Do you feel the magic? Do you? Well, we're gonna go inside. It's Halloween themed. These pumpkins. There's ghosts playing baseball. Ghosts playing in a band. So many pumpkins. Like, look at this pumpkin. More pumpkins. Love it. I feel so fall. Guess what I'm looking at now? It's not pumpkin. Coco. Now I love this movie so much. I think it's really up there for Disney movies for me. My favorite.
Do you mind?
Lunchtime. Burritos, nachos, and we're splitting a Coke. Okay, what's your favorite Halloween ride?
Haunted Mansion.
Which one?
Well, technically the California version when they do the overall Nightmare Before Christmas, but I've never tried it.
But right now, what are we gonna do?
Phantom Manor.
Yes. Spooky. It's a 5-minute wait, so let's go. Ooh. This is cute. Looks familiar. The Boring Dutchman. Oh my gosh. It's a small world. Ready to get this song stuck in your head?
No, please.
Hollywood. It's a small boat. Oh, no. It's a different boat right now.
This is either madness or brilliance.
It's remarkable how often those two traits coincide.
The Jack Sparrow restaurant smells so good.
It doesn't turn off. Super dense.
Oh my gosh, it's breathing.
How quaint.
Here's the Disney castle up close. Time to ride my favorite indoor roller coaster. Stairs, my enemy.
The center is not is rough.
A little rough. It's beautiful though. I love the projections. I love the galaxy theme, the TIE fighters. But
A retracking would be cool.
a retracking would be good. We'll get a higher score. I like the fact that you could. I'm spinning. Honestly, that's such a fun ride. It's really beautiful too. It's really fun.
It is.
I
Well
like.
made. Everything moves when you're hitting.
But yeah, the
It
fact
gives you
that,
feedback. It's good.
yeah, it's honestly a fun ride. I don't know. I don't disregard the shooting dart rides. It's like something to do while you're moving.
And you have to aim right. Like you have to be precise. You cannot just like press 1 minute. You have to be precise in this one. Which
You
is
have
cool.
to be so precise, and it's like a tiny little thing, but it's satisfying when you could like hit it on the point.
You want to check?
Come on, everybody. Here we go! Up to Neverland!
Salut, je m'appelle Crush. Coucou, Katsu.
Alright, it's dinner time, and we decided to have, I don't even know what this cuisine is, but it's very beautiful.
Adventure team.
Adventure themed, yes. Ephraim is Italian, and I got Mickey pizza. So fun. The rain made it better, but now we get out and it's not really raining. It's like drizzling a little bit. But see, we're here and there's a whole river in between to get there. So it goes under the tunnel and it gets dark for a second, and then we're there. Probably the best Big Thunder. I don't know if they have it in Asia. We'll see. Gosh, it's so pretty. Oh.
Yeah, you're on.
Thank you.
Fight to the bitter end, you cockheaded defiant!
I just ditched Ephraim. We separated so he could film a complete tour of this park. I'm gonna get breakfast. Okay, while I'm eating, I'm gonna tell you guys I'm actually on a mission. It is almost Ephraim's birthday. He loves Disney and all things theme park. He's starting a second theme park channel in English. His original one is in Italian. He always points out to me whenever we go to the merch stores what he likes. So I'm gonna try to find one of the things he pointed out. I hope I don't run into him in this park. Okay, it looks pretty busy, but I'm actually gonna go through the maze while waiting. Because Ephraim's, we're gonna meet in like 2 hours, so I have time. Thank God, I was about to give up hope. It was so long to get here. I'm out of this maze. Is this another thing where I'm gonna get lost? That was so much harder than the maze. Oh, the Hans Zimmer soundtrack is so good. Okay, I gotta stop procrastinating. I gotta get Ephraim's present now. I'm gonna ride Flight Force. I'm not sure, I think that was originally Rock and Roller Coaster. Single rider. 5 minutes. Such a good indoor coaster. Straight up magic.
Petit entraînement, nous attend aujourd'hui.
I think this is the prettiest theater. Yeah. It's so beautiful. This is Sarah's favorite. It's supposed to spin?
It will at some point.
Let's ride like the wind.
Oh, whoa! No. I love how this is possible. Shows I've ever seen. That one had me in tears with a live orchestra. It's so creative, I can't even spoil it for you. It's emotional, it's beautiful, it's Pixar.
Speed, marker, and action.
Woo! Day 3, gonna ride Pinocchio. Oh, I'm scared. Is this a horror? Oh my god! That was so fast, bro.
I don't even know what happened. It's
I
like
don't
a
know what
slap.
happened. It felt like a fever dream or something.
Yes,
I don't know. I don't
But
know.
it's beautiful. It's the one that has the longest lines because it's the best one.
It's beautiful. It's a classic. Although that windy floating reminded me of Stranger Things.
And Peter Pan had like a super long neck.
These old rides are classic, but a little scary. In the eye. Did you just put the whole thing in your mouth? Tastes like oranges.
Good luck.
1 foot up. What? No. Where do we go? Ciao. Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is? My dream in life is to live in a tree house.